I want you to meet a really sweet pup. This is Lydia. Her impound number is 1230988. And Lydia is a wonderful 1-year-old Labrador Retriever, and she might have a little bit of Shepherd mix, who came into the North Central shelter on July 12th when her former owner's landlord said that they couldn't have a pet on their premises. The former owner told us that this 38-pound girl is dog-friendly, she's lived indoors, she's housebroken, she likes to drive around in the car with the family, she's leash-trained, and she knows how to sit on command. She loves kids, and she would just love so much to be out of here, and we think she deserves a home because she's just got a wonderful mellow energy. She's submissive, and she's going to make an outstanding indoor pet for an active family living in a private home. Please come and get her. You won't do better. This is Lydia, a wonderful dog here at the North Central Shelter on Lacey Street in the shadows of Dodger Stadium.